Horses out, one slow out, Sergio Boy. We are pure joy. Pass to begin, joyful ballad. Giginhawa is racing in third talaga. Then followed over by number 4, that's Home Run Babe. Handsome Badman, and trailing the group is Sergio Boy. We are pure joy, joyful ballad in second. And in third, Giginhawa talaga is racing in fourth. Then comes Home Run Babe, Handsome Badman, and Sergio Boy. We are pure joy, the leader by our length. Joyful ballad, Giginhawa now moving a party outside to take second, and about 6 lengths away in fourth comes number 4, and that is Home Run Babe moving a party outside talaga. Handsome Badman and Sergio Boy still racing in last. Pure joy, Giginhawa is already outside, party route for the leader. Pure joy still in front by about half a length, and already outside is Giginhawa. Joyful ballad in third, then comes Home Run Babe in fourth. Handsome Badman, and that's still Pure joy by our lane. Giginhawa still in second. Home Run Babe now coming closer in third. Handsome Badman, joyful ballad. Pure joy still in front by our lane, and already outside is Giginhawa. Home Run Babe in third, and followed by Handsome Badman. Pure joy, Giginhawa, Home Run Babe, Handsome Badman is already outside. But I say Pure joy moving up. Home Run Babe to take the lead. It's now Home Run Babe followed by Pure joy, Handsome Badman, and finally Home Run Babe. Second close, Handsome Badman, Pure joy. Then comes Giginhawa, Sergio Boy.
Nagbuenas yung mga babe.
Mhm.